What's good? What should you do when you go to get your shot for PRP? I'm Ross, aka Drew Jackman. This is my wellness dojo, and I got shot number 2 today. If you have any questions about PRP or you want to share your experience, please hit me up right here. Don't forget to subscribe and like. What's good? This is shot number 2. Day 14 of this PRP treatment. As you can see, I am rocking a new scarf. No, I'm kidding. I prefer to make a sling. Actually, my fiance made it for me, which is dope. It didn't hurt a lot this time because I prepared. I'm gonna tell you how I did that in a second. What to do to prepare for your PRP shot so it doesn't hurt as much. I didn't feel like I needed a sling last time, and I did this time, so that's why I've got it on right now. Felt a lot more sore, but it did not hurt as much, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what I did that really helped me out. What I did today was woke up, coffee, smoked a little bit of weed, and meditated, which is usually I have my best days anyway, but I knew I was going in for something, so I wanted to prep my body, so I wanted to kind of get my endorphins up, get mentally kind of jacked up, and affect my body to endure this. So did a hot shower, did a little more weed. Then I drove up to the clinic, and by the time I started getting close, I cranked up this meditation that I really like, which I'm gonna put right here. It's a chant. And about 10 or 15 minutes before I got to the doctor, I cranked up the AC to full blast, pointed it at me, the whole 9. So I wanted my body to get a reaction, and I don't know. I know there's different proteins get reacted when you're really cold. So I cranked it up, even to where it was, super uncomfortable, maybe even painful. But I was trying to push it before I got to the doctor's office, so I was kind of pumped up for it. I also just did a lot of breathing right before they came in, and I had the chanting that I mentioned before. Wasn't as bad as before. Just feels sore, just really sore. And the sling makes it feel really good, so I'm not mad at it. This is the second shot. I got 2 more weeks, and then the final shot, and we'll see really how good it feels. Thanks for watching.